Hello, my name is John, and I'm the president of All American Jetting and Drain Services. And we've been in Northern Virginia since 2003, and we're one of the leading companies in hydrojetting and drain services in the area. We offer services such as hydrojetting, snaking, video inspections, pipe locating, smoke testing, and one of the most exciting services that we offer is pipe descaling. This is a new service that we offer with specialized equipment that was invented in Finland, and now we offer that to our customers. We can take an old tired cast iron pipe and descale that pipe and make it look like new. Cast iron pipes tend to disintegrate from the inside out, and so after a while, after a number of years, scale and crud builds up on the inside of the cast iron pipe and you lose flow. So we can make that pipe look new, and it will give you proper flow, and your pipe is less likely to back up. We'll give you a video inspection, and we will talk to you about pipe descaling, which will make your pipe flow much, much better. If you have any questions at all about your drains, give All American a call. We will come out and we will give you a no obligation free estimate. And for all your drain cleaning services, think All American. We're there for you.